To start a new exercise, we often only have to look around us in a park or in a garden. And I walked past these magnolia flowers and I'm going to use them for our exercise. So my plan with this exercise is to grab some of the petals and to create a cluster or a composition by using these petals that are picked. So remember when you start painting that you pick the right size brush and we work on a dry background. Then part of the process is to do those lines of the petals. I'm going to draw them in with my box cutter with my knife while the paints are wet. So it's repeating the same process. Be very delicate with your brush handling. You don't need to push too hard with your brush, because then you rub into those previous layers again. So my next step will be repeating those petals, and all I've done is I've increased the strength of the pink and of the grey. Same process. So even with my dark colors, I am using water. So here we have our magnolia petal version. It's that simple to look around you, grab a few flowers, take the petals off and see if you can make a nice arrangement to use for a painting.